Today we're going to be making a cocktail inspired by one of my favorite Mediterranean desserts or pastries, baklava. I particularly like a baklava. You have that nutty but yet cinnamon and clove taste to it. So that's what I really want to capture in this drink. This is going to be a bourbon-based drink because I feel like bourbon pairs very well with amaretto, allspice, honey, etc. Now, to start off with this drink, we're going to go ahead and add 1 ounce of bourbon. I'm using Woodford Reserve bourbon. And then we're going to do 1 ounce of butterscotch schnapps. The butterscotch schnapps is going to give it that pastry flavor, that sweetness, a little pastry flavor. Then we're going to do ½ ounce of amaretto. This is for that nutty flavor that you get inside of baklava. From there, we're going to go ahead and put 1/4 ounce of Licor 43, just to bring out those vanilla notes that you find in baklava. Very, very minor vanilla notes, but you still have them. And then we're going to add 1/4 ounce of allspice dram. Now, allspice dram is a liquor composed primarily from Jamaica. It is composed of cloves, cinnamon, all the spices you find in baklava, and also with like nutmegs and stuff like that. Put 1/4 ounce of that. And to sweeten it, baklava does have a syrup to it. So what it is, I created my own honey syrup. I'm going to add ½ ounce of honey syrup. We're going to go ahead and secure the lid. And then you know what we're going to do. We're going to shake it till we make it.
A few moments later.
Once you're done shaking, go ahead and pour it out into a cup. Perfect. And then for garnish, you're going to get little pistachios, just like the top of baklava has crushed pistachios. Little crushed pistachios right on top of the ice right there for garnish. And there you have it, a baklava cocktail. Now, to give her unbiased opinion about this cocktail, I'd like to introduce to you my liquor connoisseur, Maria. How are you doing today, Maria?
I'm doing very good, actually.
Oh.
And excited about to try this little one.
Mm-hmm.
Would love to.
All right. Here you go. So before trying this, give me your thoughts on baklava in general.
Baklava,
Do you like it?
yes, I do like baklava.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you'll probably like this drink then. Okay, go right ahead.
Sweetness of it, and then, let me see. Swirl it.
Yeah, you do that.
Okay.
You swirl it.
I'm learning. I want a baklava. I want to go eat.
I've been starving Maria here, obviously.
No, I'm not starving. It's just that this makes me go for baklava.
Oh.
It tastes really good. It resembles. How do you say that?
Yeah. So what's your overall?
Rico.
Rico?
Rico.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, what does Rico mean?
Rico means that I would drink it again. I'll give it an 8.
An 8, okay.
It would be a 10 if I had the real baklava, but that's good.
Okay, there you go. Yeah. So after this, we're gonna go ahead and get real baklava to.
Don't lie to me.
So we get everything together, make a gallon of this stuff. Thank you very much for your analysis and your rating. Was it 8?
Yes, I see.
Perfect. 8. 8 out of 10.
Aesthetic.
Can't beat that. If you like this recipe and like to see more recipes like this, or if you want to even give me suggestions, please like and subscribe to my channel and send me some DMs and give me your opinions, and I'll be more than happy to accommodate.
Also, go get a baklava.
And also go get a baklava. Thank you. Drink creatively.